Good evening, sir. My name is Herzian Jane Indagok. So, now, nag-create ko og video sa step-by-step video tutorial demonstrating on how to set up database or create a table using Flash SQL Alchemy. SQL Alchemy. So, first, why SQL Alchemy is useful in Flash application. So, SQL Alchemy is useful in Flash application because it makes working with databases easier and more flexible. Instead of writing complex SQL queries, you can use Python classes and to interact the with the database. It support different database system like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Like sa gigamit sa isa ka assignment katong Postgre and SQLite. So allowing you to switch database without major code changes. SQL Alchemy also manage database connection efficiently and help prevent errors by handling transaction properly. It makes writing queries simpler and more readable, while also improving security by preventing SQL injection attacks. With Flask SQL Alchemy, integration with Flask becomes even smoother, making database management more convenient for developers. So first, we create the code, then after the code, we install the Flask and the Flask SQL Alchemy. So from Flask, import Flask, and then render template URL for request flash. So the second, so karon naman ako og download sa Flash pero i tutorial gyapon nako og unsaon tudlo nako plus bootstrap import bootstrap. So the second from from app equals plus name. So direct as if if name if name equals name. Uh, that run post one post dot zero dot one port port equals 8,000 debug true. So now, so first is mag-install ta og Flask. So, akong buhaton is mag-adto ko sa file kay diri ko mag-install og Flask. So, click the folder, then i-click nimo ang diri para mag-search ka og CMD para mo proceed siya. Then type VNV the scripts activate. Activate. So, nag-activate na siya kini ang timailhan. And then pip install Flask. So, nag-install na siya. And then the second is pip install Flask SQL Alchemy. So, ano na, nag-install na siya. So, proceed ta sa code. Ito siyang lungagan. So, from class underscore SQL Alchemy import SQL Alchemy. So this from class under I from SQL Alchemy import integer string. Kung nasayop siya, mag-type sa string. So, big letter ang unaan. Then again, from skill alchemy dot arm import the declarative base, then map and map column, map underscore column. So we proceed the class name. So mag-create ta og app figure. App.config config ay, tapos magkuan ta og secret key. Ay, secret underscore k, and then ibutang na to ang imong i-input nga secret key. Like, so, mauna ako secret key para di siya ma-access sa uban. Na siya password bago ma-access nila ang imong database. So, second, the app dot config so SQL Alchemy SQL Alchemy underscore database underscore URL URI and then equals SQLite data no like sample, sample DB. So proceed to the another app config. Hmm, SQL Alchemy. Oh my God, kulang siya. Og single quote here and also here. Single quote again. And then SQL Alchemy underscore drop underscore modifications equals true. So, i-true na to siya. Like sa giingon ni sir, para dili siya maghatag og mga kuan sa terminal. So, bootstrap, no, bootstrap, bootstrap equals bootstrap, bootstrap up. So, another, mag-create a class base declaration. Oh, dec dec declarate declarative base. And tapos pass. The ang pass is like a comment. Like mag-ano siya pag muran nimo siya, mura siya glabian lang siya. Like mura lagi siya comment, dili siya manghilabot sa imong kuan pag mag-run na imong code. Tapos proceed to the DB sa atong database. DB SQL Alchemy SQL Alchemy app SQL Alchemy icon. Ay, SQL Alchemy model plus test base DB init up then up to proceed as another class na ang name is profile. Profile DB model to ID was DB the column DB again that integer primary k equals to another DB model DB column DB mali siya balik class profile DB model ID ID map, map, and equal map column, map column, primary to true, false, true. Mhm. No? Unique, true. So create first name, first name equals no, eh, first name map string, and the last name map string also, and the username map string also. No, equals map column unique true. So password equals map string, and then retrieve map string. So i-change na ko ang akong database name, and then we're going to run. So go to the terminal, type Python, and then from up import up comma db. So the second is with up context. So db create um so now this is